Alright, so as you can see, I'm here at the Seminole Casino. We are here with all these beautiful exotics to raise money for the American Cancer Society, which is a good cause because cancer sucks. And every household's ever had somebody with cancer, I'm sure, at this point. So we're here to raise money, do a rally, drive our cars, and look fun and have fun. Team David. Look at this guy registering my amazing C8 Corvette. That guy's shirt says it all. What's your Insta?
Sherls. It's S.HERLSS.
All right, you are famous now.
I am now.
That we are unlike most other events. Other events, they collect your money, you never really know how much it goes to charity. These events that we do, rest assured, 100% goes to charity. Cancer Society. And again, I want to make sure everyone's clear that 100% of what we're donating today goes to charity.
Well, we're about to get started, but we unfortunately are getting hit with some rain here. Luckily, all of our cars are waterproof. Well, at least mine is. Maybe it's totaled in the rain. I don't know. We'll see. Look at this. It's like Skittles. Bunch of Skittles. Happy Skittles. Oh my gosh. All right, we're getting ready to take off on this rally. It's like the Cannonball Run with beautiful cars. So I tried to put this on the car we're all supposed to, but with the weather and stuff, it didn't stay on good. But David was Fred's cousin, and unfortunately lost his life at 58 to pancreatic cancer. And so that's why this struck home for him, and that's why he's doing this. So, good cause. Beautiful McLaren. First stop, Karma. So we got to get a chip at each location, and at the end, that helps us make a poker hand, and whoever wins, wins some goodies, I guess. I'm not doing it for the goodies. I'm doing it for the experience, for the fun, for the ride. How are you guys? How are you?
Good.
Good to see you. How are you?
Good to see you.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you so much.
That's your chip. Don't lose that.
Thank you, sir.
Take your business
like a
card
water
also.
or anything?
You like
Awesome.
water?
No, I'm good right now. Thank you so much, though. Thank you, guys. Having fun on the rally. Woo-hoo-hoo! Well, looks like we got rain, but I've got weather mode to make sure I don't lose the back end in this slippery mess. Woohoo!
of our group.
All right, so we made it back, and now all these beautiful cars. Ooh, including that one. Beautiful, fine machinery. A lot of Italiano machinery. Oh, and look, a Z06, one of my favorites. Beautiful. It's a beautiful Ferrari. So this is Ferrari of Fort Lauderdale, and oh my, what a toy room. Just beautiful toys. Nothing more, nothing less. Beautiful machines, happy machines. Oh my goodness. One day when I grow up, oh, and look. A classic, beautiful Magnum PI looking, memories. Look at these cars. Such beautiful classics. Look at this. Oh my God. Whew. This place is huge. Look at this. this beautiful car. Oh my God. But I still love my Corvette. Look, a nice Porsche. And look. Ford GT. Oh, look at these cars. Nice Maserati. Look at that thing. And that's why we're here today. Oh my God. Look at this beauty. Oh, nice Chiron. Hello. So I'm here with Fred. Fred, you're the one that put all this together, I believe, correct?
Yeah.
So thank you for doing that. Tell me a little how you got into this and why you did it.
Well, unfortunately, cancer is close to me and the people that I've known. My father passed of it. My grandmother passed of it. I feel very fortunate to have come from humble beginnings and to gotten where I am. So I like to do a lot of charitable endeavors and give back to the community any way I can. Obviously, having an opportunity to do that with car people adds a lot of fun, a lot of value, and hopefully we can raise a lot of good money for the American Cancer Society today.
Awesome. Thank you so much for
Yeah,
doing this.
thank
This
you
is an
very
awesome event. This guy's great. This is a very well organized.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you
Appreciate
very
it.
much.
Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations, man. First very nice. Congratulations. He's donating the money back. He's donating the money back. Thank you so much, Ira. Thank you very much.
Where's the beautiful 320? Rainy, rainy, rainy. Unbelievable blue too, because in some views this looks black. Like that looks black, but it's not. It's blue. Oh my God. Oh, the fun we could have. All these cars are totaled. They're wet in the rain. Totaled. Oh shit, and I'm not getting out of here. All right. I would not do well in Florida because you can't put a roof on it. And Florida rains all the time. All right, honey, I'm getting this one for you. All right, I think you'd like it. I hope you'd like it. It's nice. Probably drives like a dream. This one's actually not a bad deal. It's $469. That's $469,000. Personally, I'd rather have this one, and I think you would like it. And it's a convertible top. Oh, this one is beautiful. It's a nice pista. That's probably about maybe a little under. All right, guys, so that's a wrap. Take care of yourselves. Make sure you eat well, be healthy. Waiting for the cure for cancer is going to be a tough one, so try to prevent it. And this was definitely a good cause. Thanks to Fred and everybody who put this together today. And what a fun event. Thank you, guys. After a day like today and seeing all the beautiful Ferraris, I've decided to buy one. That's about what I could afford. And that's about what I would buy even if I could afford it.